For decades, Ghana has exported billions of dollars worth of raw resources: cocoa, gold, timber, bauxite, shea nuts, and many others. But here is the problem. We often sell the raw materials cheaply and buy back finished products at 5 times, 10 times, or even 50 times the price. A bag of raw cocoa beans leaves Ghana, gets transformed into chocolate overseas, and returns as an expensive luxury product. The question is, why are African entrepreneurs not capturing more of the value chain? The future of wealth in Ghana will not come from simply producing more raw materials. It will come from transforming what we already have into products that the world would want. Welcome to Money Code Africa. Unlocking Africans' wealth secrets is our job.
Unlocking Africa's wealth code. Money Code Africa.
There is a raw material trap that exists, and Ghana is blessed with resources. We produce cocoa, we produce gold, we produce shea nuts, we produce timber, we mine bauxite, oil as well, minerals too. But having resources does not automatically create wealth. The real money is often made after extraction. Imagine two businesses. Business A buys raw shea nuts, exports them internationally. Business B processes the shea nuts, creates luxury skincare products, builds a global brand. Business A makes money once. Business B creates manufacturing jobs, branding opportunities, exporting income, long-term wealth. The difference is value addition. From shea nuts to global beauty brands. Ghana produces some of the world's finest shea butter, but many entrepreneurs stop at selling the raw product. The bigger opportunity is transforming shea into organic skincare creams, anti-aging products, hair care products, body oils, luxury beauty products. A simple example: raw shea nuts may have limited value, but a professionally packaged organic skincare product can sell internationally for many times more. The opportunity is not just farming. The opportunity is building processing factories, beauty brands, e-commerce platforms, international distribution networks. The entrepreneur who controls the brand controls the profits. Timber should become luxury furniture. Ghana has valuable timber species, but exporting raw timber means another country captures the bigger opportunity: design, manufacturing, branding, retail. Instead of shipping unfinished wood, Ghanaian companies can create designer furnitures, luxury home products, office furnitures, African-inspired interior brands. A piece of wood has limited value, but craftsmanship transforms it into a premium product. The world is willing to pay for quality, story, culture, design. Africa has the raw materials. Now we need African brands. From bauxite mining to industrial power, Ghana has significant bauxite deposits, but exporting raw minerals alone limits economic impact. The bigger opportunity is creating an integrated aluminum industry. Step 1, mine the bauxite. Step 2, refine bauxite into alumina. Step 3, smelt alumina into aluminum. Step 4, manufacture finished products. This creates opportunities in automotive parts, construction materials, manufacturing, engineering, technology. Instead of exporting resources and importing finished goods, Ghana can become a producer. Young Ghanaian entrepreneurs should stop asking, how can I sell raw products? Start asking, how can I transform this into something more valuable? The biggest companies in the world rarely sell raw materials. They sell brands, technology, convenience, experience, solutions. The next African million-dollar companies will likely come from entrepreneurs who understand value chains. Africa does not lack resources. Africa lacks enough businesses that transform those resources. The future belongs to entrepreneurs who move from raw materials to finished products, farming to processing, resources to industries, suppliers to global brands. Ghana's wealth will not come only from what we produce. It will come from what we create. If you found this video valuable, subscribe to this channel, follow us on Facebook and TikTok, and share with a friend who operates in any of these raw material industries I talked about for adoption. Leave a comment below. Let's discuss what is on your mind in relation to this topic. I would answer every comment, and I'll see you in the next one.